Almost fucking pissed myself.
It's a fucking idiot.
Hey, guess what I saw the other night?
Who?
Jenna.
Yeah?
Yeah, I saw her in New Amsterdam last weekend.
Talk to her?
Nah, but she definitely saw me.
Wow, dude.
Made eye contact.
I was thinking about texting her. I was gonna do it last night, but I got scared, you know.
Texting her? What are you gonna say?
I don't know. Something about getting back together.
You're gonna get back together? Or are you just gonna, get back together?
I mean, it was more than just sex, Jones. Thought I loved her, you know?
You thought you did?
Yeah.
But did you? Really?
I mean, I think so.
Doesn't sound like love to me.
I mean, who knows what love's actually supposed to feel like? I mean, how would you know anyways? You've never been in love before.
I mean, it just doesn't sound like love, dude. If you love someone, I think you love them. There's not really any doubt in your mind.
I mean, there wasn't. Till she fucking dumped me.
I don't know.
Now I don't know what to think anymore, man.
Yeah. It's just, I don't know. It doesn't sound like love. I mean, I think you liked her a lot. I'm not denying that, but love is a little harder to bend. You know, you either love someone or you don't.
I mean, all I know is I was really, really fucking into her. She was really important to me, and then she broke my heart, and now I'm all the fuck alone.
You still got me, dude. Right? And what did I say?
All right.
What did I say? It's a learning experience. Now you know not to swoon over a girl just because she gives you a little attention.
It was deeper than that. I'm telling you, man.
Yeah, whatever you say.
At least I felt something. Hey, you wouldn't know love if it punched you in your face and broke your fucking nose.
Hey, bro, forget love, dude. I mean, you got the whole fucking world at your fingertips. You're free. There's nothing better than that feeling. Right? You gotta get off your high horse and fucking do something with your life. There's millions and millions of girls out there. Why get stuck on this one? Hey, you gotta get over it already. I mean, just do something with your life. What do you actually want to be?
I don't know.
Come on. You want to be rich? Huh? You want to be famous? You want to be a fucking crackhead? Seriously, what do you want to do? Tell me.
I don't know.
Come on, give me something. Anything.
Just don't laugh, okay?
I'm not gonna laugh.
Swear to God. I want to paint.
I'm sorry, did you say paint?
Shut the fuck up, it's stupid.
No, okay. That's great. Okay, awesome.
No.
So, get some fucking paints and go crazy. What else?
I want to drive across the country. I want to see new places.
Fuck yeah. Okay, so you take some time off and you go on a road trip.
Yeah.
What else?
Yeah. I want to learn how to fly. I want to get my pilot's license.
What the fuck, dude? That's awesome. I didn't even know that about you.
Yeah, I wanted to ever since I was a kid. You know?
Yes. Okay, so you go and you get up and fucking fly. You learn how to soar like a bird, my guy. All right? I know you can do it.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
You're right.
dude.
You're so fucking right. God, come here, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Really and truly, man. Thank you.
That's what friends are for, right?
Cheers to that. Oh! I'm gonna be a pilot. I'm gonna be a fucking pilot. Hey, and when I become a pilot, you become a musician. Huh? How about that?
Oh my God, no.
Start playing gigs with your guitar,
dude,
and then
come on.
I'll get my pilot's license. I'm serious, Jones. You're so good. What do you got to lose? Hey, and when you get big and famous, I'll fly your private jet for you. Huh? Deal?
Right, deal.
Yeah, that's right. Hey. To our new lives. Huh?
But I got something to tell you.
Hit me.
It's about Jen.
Yeah?
I'm sorry, Bobby.
It's okay, bro. It's behind me now. It's not your fault anyway.
It is.
What?
My fault.
What?
Bobby, I'm really sorry.
What did you do?
Jen and I mean, she was fucking all...
No. No. You're fucking with me.
Bobby, I'm really sorry.
No, you're joking, right?
I mean, it just kind of happened, dude.
No. You didn't actually fucking do that. Tell me you didn't actually do that. No. No. No, you
I slept with her, Bobby.
No.
Dude, I didn't mean to
That's not
do it,
true.
dude.
That's
It
not
just kind
true.
of
Tell me you didn't actually fucking do it.
happened.
She would have fucking told me.
I made her promise not to tell you.
No. That's not true. It's not.
Bobby, it
You're
didn't.
lying. You're not.
It didn't mean anything. It just kind of. We were drunk and it.
When?
You really want to know?
When did it happen?
Rhode Island.
What the fuck?
It really.
Oh
it was
my
nothing.
God, oh my God.
I didn't mean to hurt
Oh
you.
my
I didn't.
God,
I'm
no,
sorry.
you didn't fucking do
I'm
it.
sorry.
You can't fucking do that, Jones. What's wrong with you? I loved her. You think every girl in the world is yours to play with, but she was mine. She was mine, you fuck. You're not a fucking god, okay? The world doesn't revolve around you. She was the one thing that made me happy, and you fucked it up. You're a pig. You're an animal.
Call me whatever the fuck you want. Just be fucking real for once, okay? Jen had her part in it too.
No, fuck you.
I didn't fucking force
No,
her.
shut the
She
fuck
made a
up. Shut the
choice.
fuck up. You don't get it. I'm not like you, okay? I can't just make people love me. I just had her. I finally had someone, and you stole her from me.
All right, come on, Bobby. All right, I guess you know. I know you think you loved Jen, but clearly she didn't fucking love you.
No, you don't understand. You've never loved anybody but your fucking self. You go around and you fuck all these girls and you get all this fucking attention. And it's just to fill whatever fucking hole you have inside, but you and I both know it'll never fucking work.
Shut the fuck up, Bobby.
No matter how hard you try, you're always gonna be fucking empty.
Bobby, stop.
I looked up to you, you fucking asshole. I wanted to be like you. Now I realize you don't fucking deserve it. You don't deserve my admiration. You don't deserve to be loved.
Shut up, Bobby.
You're a shit-eating fucking worm. You're a parasite. That's why your mother never fucking loved you.
Shut the fuck up, Bobby! All right, shut up! If your love's so good, why'd your girlfriend need me to come fuck her? Fuck!
Fucking hate you. Fuck off of me. Fuck off of me.
Hey, Bobby! Bobby. Hey, Bobby, get up. Hey, Bobby, you good? I said, I'm sorry, Bobby. Hey, Bobby! Bobby!